Okay guys, we'll start outside today with the Monday seedling update. Leeks are doing okay at the back there in the plastic polystyrene container. I knew they'd catch up, these ones, they always do leeks. Not so with the shallots. They're pretty, I know these were old stock, these are okay. But the Zabruin, like I said before, I reseeded them and I've got new ones coming up and I'm 90% sure that that's the new seeds. So we should get some. We got the onions there still. Three types of onion. And one, I can't remember these. I'll put the names up. 2 types of cauliflower. Three types of cauliflower. And the giant Prague celeriac. They take ages, but they've come up. Okay, into the greenhouse. To see through 1, 2, there we are. Is that 18, 17 degrees yet? Okay, Isaiah's hanging on for bets. These broad beans, now I think they're just about to pop up. Look. Yeah, they're popping up. There's the chilies and the peppers. They'll be getting a good watering later. All the annuals leaping away now. They are the fuchsias. Look at those. Geraniums, lobelias, all sorts. Busy Liz's, rudbecas. Yeah, all sorts there. Around the bottom of here are the herbs I sowed. All the herbs in the Jiffy 7s. They should sell quite well, we'll see. Moving up one. Sweet peas. We got the last of the chili plugs. Nothing from the Cape Gooseberry still, nothing from the Clancy potatoes. Avocados, just got a few of those left now. Let's go, yeah, oh, more flowers, more avocados, more flowers. Lupins. Now I'm pretty sure I put delphiniums in there, but I can't see anything. Red and white onions. Well, one more thing to look at. We have some broad beans growing here. I'll put the varieties on the screen for you. But look at this. Been waiting for this. And what I'll do in a minute, I'll go and get a bit of card and put it behind there to get a better picture of that flower. Get it out of the light, if you know what I mean. Yeah. But look at that. Isn't that gorgeous? Here we are. It's pretty spectacular, guys. I love that. Not only have I never grown carnivorous plants before, I've never grown a flowering carnivorous plant before. There he is, look. Look at that. Of course, bring it outside, the wind's moving it. Where's the inside of it? Look. That is stunning. Just a quick look at the veggie pod while I'm outside. Got the anti-cat measures down, but they still come in, still make a mess. That row there where that cane is. That's some spring onions in there. Oh, anyway, these are the I bought some sets, didn't I? These are the Stuttgarter, and they're growing rather well. I think there's only one not fired. I think, or maybe no, he's there. There's one down there. There's only that one there not fired. When it's rooted, I can feel it, yeah. Maybe it needs a top cutting. Another thing to look at here, I got some ochre in these small pots here, but they were shooting, whatever you want to call it, but they're doing nothing in the pots at the moment. I'd say that. Hang on. There's a bit of green there. Oh yeah, they're growing. I better go and mark them on my spreadsheet of shooting then. Brilliant. Okay then, a bit different today. The chilies and peppers upstairs, They're having a drink. Well, they've drunk it actually. They're in a bath of chili focus. I use a very weak solution of chili focus every watering. I'll give it another half an hour and put them back in the vitopod. All that's left in there at the moment is those variegated sugar rush stripy peaches. God, look at it. Aren't they gorgeous? And a load of plugs. And you'll see a few missing because they've sold. Fantastic. That one there is the last basket of fire. Till next year. I made a mistake yesterday. There was a few blanks. Here we are, not fire, that one there. So I picked them up and 10 minutes later I rubbed my eye. But what I must have done is I must have brushed the leaves. Oh my word, I was streaming. So even the leaves are very sort of peppery. Right, that's it for this week, guys. Catch you soon.